Now, Lakshmi Vilas Bank has been put on a moratorium until 16th of December by the Reserve Bank of India there over bank's poor financial situation, and under the moratorium, depositors can only withdraw up to 25,000 rupees only. Even if you have multiple accounts there, you are a multiple account holder, you can only withdraw 25,000 rupees. Withdrawals above rupees 25,000 will be allowed in case of unforeseen expenses like medical emergencies, education expenses, etc. RBI said financial position of the bank has undergone a steady decline over the last 3 years. It's added that financial health of the bank is expected to worsen in the absence of any viable strategic plan, declining advances and mounting non-performing assets by the bank that they've displayed. In fact, the central bank also announced a draft scheme for merging the troubled leader or this troubled bank here with the DBS bank. RBI assured the depositors, saying their interests will be fully protected and there is no need to panic. Meanwhile, Congress MP Rahul Gandhi slams the government, saying that banks and GDP are in trouble. Inflation was never so high, nor was unemployment.
And I have commitment in expenses to registration coming Friday. But suddenly I'm going to limited the cash transaction. We don't know how to do the registration. We are answerable to my customers, answerable to my suppliers, laborers. I have to transfer the amount. But suddenly I don't know what I have to do because I have only one account which is approved by RERA, T and RERA account. So I'm just thinking what to do for next step.
Limit 25,000 is very less because our day-to-day transactions get halted. Even GST payment we are not able to make. The due date of GST is 20th. And I have a single account. I have almost all my family accounts here since 30 years. See, withdrawal is something. Some payments are mandatory even by the government. Now those payments, if you are not able to make GST, TDS, how is it going to function?
25,000 में क्या होता है सर? 25,000 में तो सीनियर सिटीजन के लिए तो फिर हेल्थ का इश्यू रहता है, मेडिकल रहता है, कुछ भी इमरजेंसी खर्चा आ सकता है. तो 25,000 से तो कुछ नहीं होता है. अगर थोड़ा बहुत ज्यादा विड्रॉल कैप लिमिट ज्यादा किया होता तो बेटर था.
इसका रेस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी किसका है? जीएसटी हम पे नहीं कर पाएंगे, वो नहीं सुनेंगे. जीएसटी पोर्टल जो है सिस्टम से होता है, वो कोई सुनने वाला है नहीं. पेनल्टी कौन भरेगा? और हमारा कम से कम 10 लाख रुपया अंदर पड़ा है. 25,000 रुपया आज मिल नहीं रहा है सर. तो इसके लिए जवाबदारी कोई है नहीं. बैंक वाला कोई जवाब नहीं दे रहा है. 25,000 का भी नहीं दे रहा है. आज भी इन्हें 25,000 निकालने को बोला है, वो भी नहीं निकल रहा है.
वो भी कल से
क्या? वो भी अभी हम सुबह से 10 बजे से हम खड़ा है सर, कोई जवाब नहीं दे रहा है सर.
Cutting across to Aishwarya Paliwal live for more details on that. Aishwarya, here we're looking at this bank, Lakshmi Vilas Bank, which is in troubled waters, but up to 25,000 only withdrawals allowed. Many of them must be stranded, stuck. It not necessarily will be medical emergencies, but people have to fulfill their commitments. How are they going to manage?
Well, definitely, it is a big question. In fact, I am standing at one of the branches of Lakshmi Vilas Bank here in Connaught Place. At the moment, we cannot see any queue here, but we have been standing here since morning, and we have met people, those people who say that the bankers should have informed them. They should have been told about this kind of deal was about to take place, medical expenses, and by taking out only 25,000 rupees is something which they cannot afford at the moment. Let me tell you one thing which is very interesting is that you cannot see any kind of paper being put up here. So people are coming, and some of them who did not know what was happening were in fact shocked to see that they could only take out 25,000 rupees at a time. They are now hopeful that things will improve in times to come, and they are also fearful what happened with PMC Bank should not happen with Lakshmi Vilas Bank. Back to you.
Thank you very much, Aishwarya, for joining us with those details on that.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.